Good afternoon, everybody.
Walaikum salam and good afternoon to you.
I don't think I have much to say because we have said it all. But just a piece of advice. Trainings are things that increase our knowledge. No matter how small it is, you can never say I have enough. Especially when it comes to technology. Technology you can never finish. I have never sitting in a class to learn Excel. I last sat in a class in 1990 to learn Lotus 1, 2, 3. But all the things I knew in Excel, I learned them myself. But the things I have learned here, I have never learned before. Because maybe it is I don't use them. Maybe if I were to be using this, I'll have to do the research and teach them myself. Because what we lack in the Gambia is dedication to learn. We don't learn. We are always lazy. But if you remove all those laziness, you can do things for yourself. Like Mr. Pupana has said, he did not do computer science. He is an accounts guy. But now he is training people on Excel, Google Sheet, and I know he can train people on all the other softwares. So I just want to du dégg ñun ñëpp Maguette sax dafa jàng maa ngi ni Maguette du bëgg a dee te maa ngi toog ndax du dégg waaw thank you very much and I wish you all the best in your lives and have a safe trip back home. Thank you very much.